Yan yung kanta ko po. Pag nyo lokohin, ang gandang babae, siguradong may tulog kayo. Pag napakan kayo. Robs, hello! Robbie, thank you for the tap-taps. Jane, hello! Papasample ka pa, Kindan, grabe ka. Adam, thanks! You think I'm 5'4"? Oh, you're so nice! Yoshi, hi! But no, not even close. Sup, Marlon? What up, how are you? Chris J, hi, 5'8"? No, maybe in heels, yeah. But no. 5'4", you guys are nice. Wow, you speak Urdu? I'm Spanish Filipino. No, I don't. Bomba, hello. Thank you for the tap-taps. Graham, hello. You more to pronounce it without Chinese eyelids makeup. Huh? I do not understand, but okay. Joseph, thanks for the tap-taps. To be fair, I just came in. Yeah, Filipino, yay! Yes po, Filipino ako. Nagtatagalog na rin. Okay, fine. Mr. Lava Lava, I am... Drum roll, please. 5 foot flat. Yeah. Half Phil, half Spanish bread. Ako half German, half Shepherd. You're taller than 5'8". No, I'm not. I'm 5 foot flat. The fuck you all talking about? Seriously, parang tanggad mo sa IG mo. Naka-heels kasi ako sa IG ko. 5'8" ako sa IG ko. Okay, guys. 5'8". Kasi 8 inches yung heels ko. Here. Wait lang. I'll show you how tall my heels are. This is one of my heels. One of my heels. Shadow, hello. This is why I look tall in my IG. Let's go, Enzo. Frank, hello. Jordy, Joseph, thank you. Taas. Mas malaki pa sa mga titi nyo. So, just saying. Just saying. Tapos magsasayaw using that. Yes. It's not heels, it's a tower. Akagi, hi Akagi. Hoy, ano, bakit? Love ko, thank you for the follow. Max, hello. Follow ba? Hindi totoo yan. 8 inches. As a girl, 8 inches is too much. Just saying, as a girl, masakit na yun. Joe, thank you. Ginon, hi. My follow you again Sunday, I'll recharge once. I like your charm. You remind me of dear Filipino sister I adopted. Aw, that's sweet. Here on Vigo. That's sweet. Leon, thanks for the follow. China. Shanina. Hi, thank you for the tatas. Akagi, thanks for the glow sticks. Now you followed me. Sige, I'll follow you back. Hihi. Follow you. Follow back. O, ito na po. Mga ano kayo Mga demanding. Opo. Yuri, hi. Harley, hi. Elias, thanks for the follow. Ang demanding kayo today, opo. Ako lang to. Mr. Lava, thank you. Bigla follow back. Narinig lang na mas malaki pa sa heels. Oh my God. Friends, hi friends. Escobar, hi. Dorgs, thanks for the follow. Trauma, hi. I can relate. Wow. Nag-hi na lang ako dito. Left trip ka naman, Sisi. Opo. Welcome po to my podcast. Sebastian, hi. Sean, welcome back. Thea, hi Thea. Thanks for the tap-taps. Follow back po. Sure. Follow everyone back later. Don't worry. Mr. Swabe. Hello. Which province are you from? I grew up here in Manila, actually. Bye, Sissy. Ingat ka today. See you later ba, Sissy? See you later sa OPK. Di ako mapakali, sir. Ang sakit na ng tawan ko. So, yeah, I'm in Manila. I'll try. Try well. ABC, hello. Luis, hi Luis. Try well, sissy. Opo. Magtatampo ako if wala ka. The man. Hello. Hello. Hi. Naparin ako mga admins. Shosho. Hello. Di pa nagigising mga admins ko. Bucky. Hey, what up? Damn. That is all caps. What the hell? Wait nga lang. I'm just gonna share my live. Just gonna, kakalabitin ko lang yung mga admins ko. Ayan. Totoo na to. Later na lang na enjoy live. Thank you, Kinlan. Salamat. Kalal, hi. What's up? Gonna go to bed right now. So have a great rest of your day. Ingat po. Thank you. Thank you so much for dropping by. It was nice meeting you. Sessionist, hello. Have a great day.